Let's continue the eating session here because a while ago I didn't finish it there outside, so we'll finish it here. I didn't put this one here. Now I'll try. I'll put I like the taste of the beef. It's soft. So overall, it's okay. If I will rate this one, for me, 7 out of 10. I think this is the spicy one. Jalapeno. Hey! Cheers. Cheers. I'm full already. This one meal, one order, I cannot eat it in one sitting. Mm. 8:26 already in the evening, and up until now I'm not yet finished. I started eating this one 4:30 and I stopped, and I ate again at around 6:30 or 7 something like that, and then I didn't finish because I'm full already. I stopped. I took a break, and now this is the last try. Hope I can finish it all. Finally, I finished all.